Alright, what's up everybody, and welcome back to a Cash Group online production. I am Damien and thanks for tuning in. Today this is episode 4 of how to make money online. So basically today I'm gonna go over a survey junkie, and actually this is a very good one. I actually like this one a lot. It's better than a lot of the other survey ones because the surveys don't take long. It doesn't take you to a whole bunch of different web addresses and make you fill out one survey after another. You just pick surveys, do them on this website, and that's it. And you get your money straight to PayPal, but here's the thing: you gotta have $10 saved up on the website before you can redeem it to PayPal. But it will not take you long to get $10 saved up. For one, they give you 25 cents, which would be points, for sign up, and then completing your profile you get another 50 cents, and then you get other points for doing other parts of your profile completion after that. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up with Google Chrome. I already have another account. I already started signing up, but so I'm going to go ahead and do this. Next, I'm going to put my birth date in. Now you could use Facebook, Google Plus, or you could use just regular sign up. I just did Google Plus. See, it says congratulations, just for signing up you received 25 points, and now we're gonna start profile for the extra 50 points. So I'm just gonna start putting a whole bunch of random stuff in here because none of this really matters. Alright, so now it's just loading. Oops. Alright, see, it says congratulations, your questionnaire is complete and you just earned 50 points. Now as you can see we have 75 cents, which is redeemable, but you have to have $10 at least. Alright, so now confirm email. Alright, so I'm going to actually go and do this on my phone real quick. Click here to confirm email. Alright, so I just did that, so I'm going to say done. I'm going to refresh it real quick. And as you can see, I have $1 already. Now start now. Available once a month or less. Product testing, yes. Online focus group, yes. Are you interested in research activity? Yes. Yes. Submit. Oops, I forgot that. Alright, so I've confirmed my email, so how it works, we'll do that real quick to get 5 points. Get started. Let's take a tour. Next. 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 None of this really matters. I'm going to teach you all of this. Got it. Thanks. Continue. Alright, so basically, now what you could do, right, is you see all these on the side. I'm going to show you what those are real quick. So if you go right here to your name and you click my profile, you see you get 10 points for doing each of these. And you're gonna want to do all these because then it gives you better survey options and things like that. And believe me, when you see how I just told you how you can get to $10 really fast. I'm already up to $1.05, as you can see. Now that's good. You know what I'm saying? That was in a matter of, let's see here, in a matter of 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes. Alright, so I'm not going to show you how to do all these because they're basically the same things that we've been doing. Alright, but, where is it? So you need $8.95 to redeem $10. And you can cash out with PayPal, you could redeem with e-gift card, or you can cash out with bank transfer. So I would do PayPal. But right here, surveys. Alright. I'm gonna show you. So you can get like 300 points for one, 60 points, 30 points, 15 points. You see all these surveys you could do. You see all that? And you can get a lot of points for doing these. And you know, you got these ones which are, 1 minute surveys. And you get 10 points for those. But anyways, guys, that is basically it. Here, I'll go ahead and show you one survey actually. Take survey. Got it. Start survey. Go to survey. Next. Alright, it didn't let me do that one because too many people already did it. See, watch. Yep. See, I'll show you the message again. Yeah, see, filled up, but I don't want to do any of the longer ones because it's gonna take a couple minutes to do those. But that's alright. As you can see, you can make a lot of money really fast with this. On my other account, I did redeem once, and I redeemed a gift certificate. I didn't do the cash payout because the gift certificate looked a lot better than the cash payout. But anyways, guys, that is it for this. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification, like the video if it helped you. This is a really good website. I recommend it. So yeah, check it out, guys. Sign up and do your thing, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.